What do appellate courts mean by affirm, reverse, and remand? Imagine a courtroom scene where a case is being looked at again after a trial. When an appellate court reviews a decision, it uses specific words to explain what it thinks about the original ruling. These words are affirm, reverse, and remand. Knowing what they mean helps us understand how the legal system works after a case is appealed. Affirm means the appellate court agrees with the decision made by the lower court. It means they believe the original ruling was correct and should stay in place. When a case is affirmed, the original judgment remains, and the case is finished at that level. This is like saying, we see no reason to change what was decided. Reverse is when the appellate court disagrees with the lower court. It overturns the original decision because it finds errors or mistakes that affected the outcome. When a case is reversed, the original judgment is canceled. The appellate court might send the case back to the lower court for a new trial or to make a different decision. It's like saying, the original ruling was wrong, so we are changing it. Remand is when the appellate court sends the case back to the lower court for more work. This usually happens after a reversal or if the case needs further review. The lower court must follow instructions from the appellate court and do additional proceedings, like a new trial or fixing legal mistakes. The remand acts as a reset button, giving the case a second chance to be decided properly. Sometimes, the appellate court might do all three things in one decision. It could affirm part of the case, reverse another part, and remand some issues for further review. This helps make sure the case is handled fairly and correctly. In the courtroom process, these words show what happens after an appeal. Affirming means the case stays as it is. Reversing means the original decision is overturned. Remanding means the case goes back for more work. These steps help the legal system correct mistakes and make sure justice is served. Understanding these terms makes it easier to follow what happens after a case is appealed and how appellate courts influence the final outcome.